Hey guys, it is such a beautiful day today. I just have to get out and do some amateur radio on the deck. Check this out.
Ooh, let's do some Buddipole.
So I'm assembling my Buddipole here. Let's just look at that little, what do they call this? The Versa T, I think. You can adjust these on any angle you want. You can make a dipole, you can make a V shape. That's what I'm going to try. You can even do a vertical dipole with these. It's really cool. Or an L shape. All kinds of configurations you can try. They're just really cool piece of kit. So I'm going to first try this sort of Y shape, and you'll see it in just a second. Here it is. So fully erected. You can see my vertical in the background. But first things first, let's put this on my little UKITS FG01 antenna analyzer and have a really good look at the trace. So yeah, they're at around, I'm at 14.3 megahertz. So it's not exact, but there you have it. So the impedance and resonance, I mean SWR, not resonance, good enough to go. So let's see what happens. I have other videos of this antenna analyzer if you're interested in it. It's quite reasonably priced, and it's very simple. It just basically shows you two traces, SWR, impedance, and covers a wide range. Does the basics, does them well. It's a little hard to not get a lot of glare off the screen right now, but I just wanted to show the SWR, which is the second from the top trace. When I hit the tune button, I made sure the frequency is clear before I do this. So yeah, it looks like it's a 1.1 to 1 match. The Buddipole is doing it. So let's see what we can hear on the bands.
Up the phone, next call I called a call by newly appointed attorney. He wrote a letter, and 2 weeks later I got an apology back from the state attorney general behind the filing camera.
Yeah, so I've got the Buddipole set up with the red top over here and the blue top over here, and they talk about which coil is which, and then down here is the table. So I'm on 20 meters right now. I use the coils, yes. The total whip sections out on the red side is 4.5 sections. Excuse me, with the top at the green 10. And on the black side coils, yes, all the whips out, 6, blue 15 top. I'm just going to double check that right now, but that's for 20 meters. And you do have to, re-tap it if you want to change frequencies and alter the lengths a little bit. But that's all the fun. Thought I'd listen in on the VHF and UHF bands at the same time while I was sitting here with my ancient but awesome Yaesu FT530. 2 complete separate volume and squelch controls, because there's completely two different radios that operate simultaneously. Unfortunately, my battery's dead. Okay, well, I won't be listening to that. Isn't that a beauty of a radio, though? I can go right up to 2 meters with this thing. 6 meters. That's nice, but what I wish, I don't have the ability with my current setup to do 80 meters. I'd love to be able to jump onto the OnTARS net. I don't have any antenna that can get me on 80 meters. And so it's been about 10 years since I've checked into the OnTARS net 3755 LSB, Ontario. Oh, there's my MFJ mag loop sitting there waiting to be deployed. Gotta get that up in the air. You gonna help me, buddy? You gonna help me? Anyway, here's kind of the situation. Sitting on my deck from my operating position. Here is the view. It's a small backyard. It goes up a steep hill back there. It's on about a 45-degree angle. Kind of hard to get up there. But I make do. And it's a great little spot to hang out on the deck and do some ham radio, man. I really should shave today.
I can't help you tweaking, but it works for me. So far so good. So far so good.